Hi everybody, welcome to another Crafting with Kimberly. Today we are going to be making a bubble blower out of an old wooden spool of thread. So make sure that you have watched Lauren's video first and learn all about how people did laundry in the 1800s. And she'll tell you about the soap that they would use and other supplies and things that they had. So what I'm going to be doing today, my supplies are obviously a little bit different. So I have dish soap, I have honey, I have my spool of thread, I have a measuring cup, I have some water here, I have a plastic knife to use to stir, and then I have a small jar that I'm going to use to dip my spool of thread in. So to get started, I'm going to use my measuring cup. And I am going to pour 1.5 cups of water into my measuring cup. Looks good. And then I need 1/4 cup of dish soap. So, and then you need a spoonful. I'm using honey. A lot of recipes will call for corn syrup. I did not have any of that on hand. So I need a spoonful and just realized I don't have a spoon. So I'm gonna have to go get one and come back. Okay, I'm back. We're gonna do a spoonful of honey. Okay, I may not need the knife, we'll see. I'm gonna stir it kind of slowly. Interesting to see. Now I'm just gonna stir it for a little while. Okay, now I'm gonna take my solution, I'm gonna pour it into this little jar so that I can actually easily take my wooden spool and dip it in there. I didn't take the thread off just because I didn't feel like it. I got way too excited about that. I'm gonna be honest. I wasn't sure if it was gonna work. And that's how some of the crafts start, but I'm gonna do that again. All right, thank you so much for joining me for this Crafting with Kimberly. In the description below, you'll see, again, the measurements of supplies that you'll need, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you.